Buenos días, bienvenidos a mi canal, tiempo por lección de español. Y'all can see I am back in warm Punta Cana, no more skull cap for me, pero el día es nublado, pero calido. I said the day is cloudy but warm. El día esta nublada, pero calido. The day is cloudy but warm. I'll take it over 39 degrees any day. That is our little bit of Spanish for today. Don't forget, Ebony Ladies in the DR. Regular episodes are every Thursday, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm going to say it again. I'm going to say it a little different. El tiempo esta nublada, pero calido. Say the weather is cloudy but warm. El tiempo esta nublada, pero calido. The weather is cloudy but warm. That's our Spanish for today. Practice, 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 y'all. One day we're going to be able to roll this off our tongue really fast, and do they do. But I will see y'all tomorrow. Today is day, 81 of Spanish Lessons with Bridget. See you tomorrow. Take care. Enjoy the warm day. Get some exercise. Until tomorrow.